In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist with Notion for task management. This integration will empower you to streamline your workflow, juggling tasks more effectively in your daily routine. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to log into your Todoist account. Make sure you have your credentials handy. Once you're in, the interface is pretty intuitive. On the left side, you can see all your projects and views. Navigate to the specific project where your task is located. This step will set the stage for linking your tasks in Notion. Now that you're in the right project or view, find the task you want to integrate with Notion. Click the three dots situated, generally, to the far right of your chosen task. These three dots open up an advanced options menu, offering, among other things, the ability to copy the task's link. Go ahead and click on Copy Link to Task. This feature ensures that you have the direct URL copied to your clipboard, which you'll need in just a moment. The task link is copied, and now it's time to switch gears and jump into Notion. Open your Notion workspace and decide where you'd like to embed your Todoist task. Notion is flexible, allowing you to organize your tasks within various databases and pages. On the Notion page, type Embed to add a new block. This command activates Notion's embedding feature. From the list that appears, select the Embed block. This is the gateway to integrating external links directly into Notion's own comprehensive setup. With the Embed block selected, paste the Todoist link you copied earlier into the provided field, a small text box that appears, and click on Embed Link. The magic now begins as Notion fetches and visually represents your Todoist task right within the page. This action not only incorporates the task into your Notion workflow, but it also provides a visual anchor to your tasks, making it easy to navigate between applications with just a click. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've integrated Todoist with Notion, forging a more organized, efficient approach to task management. Now, manage your projects with heightened clarity and ease. This integration allows you to visually manage, track, and update your tasks in one unified workspace. It instantly links you to your Todoist projects from directly within Notion, bringing the best of both worlds together. Thank you for joining me today to learn about leveraging Todoist with Notion. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out more ways to optimize your task management setup. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips and tricks to boost your productivity. Goodbye for now, and happy organizing!